Hey guys, Jay Freestyle here, and I'm excited to announce that I'll be coming to Mumbai, India in February to teach an exclusive 3-day seminar at Alien Tattoo Studio, and I'd love for you to come join me. So the first day we'll be covering theory and fundamentals of design. I'll be showing you how I do my large-scale projects. We'll also be doing color theory, and I'll show you how I use my special limited color palette from World Famous. This you'll be able to tattoo pretty much anything using just these 12 colors, and I'll show you how. And we'll also be covering various aspects like machines, needle cartridges, inks, aftercare. Day 2 will be the practical side of things, where you get to see me tattoo from start to finish, so you'll see the entire tattoo process live. And I'll be sharing with you all my tips and secrets, all my techniques from color blending, saturation, lining. And on the third day, it's probably the most important day, this is where you will be tattooing live, and I'll get to walk around and give everyone personal advice and see that you're able to execute everything that you've learned in the past few days. Spaces are limited, so make sure you book your spot soon. You can register online by clicking the link in the bio. Hope to see you guys soon.